Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern southeastern Arkansas, Baxter County in north-central Arkansas, Southeastern Boone County in north-central Arkansas, Fulton County in north-central Arkansas, Izard County in north-central Arkansas, Marion County in north-central Arkansas, Northeastern Newton County in north-central Arkansas, Searcy County in north-central Arkansas, Central Sheriff County in north-central Arkansas, Northwestern Stone County in north-central Arkansas, until 9:20 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Salem in Fulton County, Marshall, Yellville, Ashland, Jasper, Ocean, Gadsville, Calico, Clifton, Highland, and Sherman County. Baxter County, Hardy, Oxford, Norfolk, and Salesville. Heavily terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross one of roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. The National